Let's welcome Dr. Sanjay Gupta. He is gastroenterologist from Dehradun.
Good evening, everybody. It is my pleasure to be nominated for this award, for this healthcare award this year. Working in Uttarakhand, as you know, is not a very easy job, not an easy task. The place where there is almost 60 to 70% of the state is a hilly terrain, and which is many of the months of the year, almost about 6 months of the year, the hilly terrain is actually cut off from the plains, and the healthcare there is very pathetic. So working in that sort of a terrain is very difficult job. We are sitting in Delhi, we know that what we are doing and where we are going. But working in that sort of a terrain, other thing is that the poverty is also there. And when I joined there in 2009 as a gastroenterologist, so most of the people of the state used to be referred to Delhi for further management of simple trivial problems also, like liver failures and even blood vomiting, etc. So this was a real problem, and many of the people traveling 300 kilometers to Delhi, there was no other center available. So many of the people could not even reach Delhi at that time. So we started working, then I got a placement in one of the this trust hospital, that is the Shri Guru Ram Rai Medical College and Trust Hospital. So there we started our journey as a gastroenterologist in this hospital. Slowly we built up, and now the scenario has actually changed. Now people from Delhi and nearby areas till Delhi are actually coming to us for getting treatment, and people don't like to go to bigger cities now. So this has all been made great by our institution, that is the Shri Guru Ram Rai Medical College and the management there, and obviously the administration of Uttarakhand. I once again congratulate the Time Media and its channel partners for choosing me for this prestigious award. Thank you very much.
The award for the category among best gastroenterologists in North India, and the award goes to Dr. Sanjay Gupta.
Congratulations, sir. How do you feel being part and parcel of today's event here?
I have previously also been a part and parcel of these events, and I personally feel that it actually encourages you that whatever work you are doing, it is a good work, and you should continue to keep on going good work. And I personally feel that there are people in the society who may not actually be coming very forward, and they not be having big advertisement, but they are still recognizing your work. That is what is important for us.
Sir, any message you would like to give to the people who are attending today's Healthcare Awards night?
Any message? Message is just keep on doing good work. Someday, somebody will recognize that work. And once that they recognize that, that will be a good day for you. That will be definitely a Christmas.
Thank you so much, sir.